So I just hit a bump, so I pulled off in this neighborhood because the truck started sounding different. Sounds like a freaking tractor. So I suspect my exhaust has fell off again. Great, good time. So we're gonna stop at a stop sign. Well, driver's side's still on, but I'm gonna guess by the flop. Oh yeah, she's only tractoring out of one side, so we'll just put that back. Look, right back into place, buddy. Thank you. Now it's back to rattling like it's got valve train noise. Sweet. Great. Oh, now we're sounding mint.